In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link donations on Squarespace. Whether you're running a non-profit, a church, or simply looking to accept donations for a personal project, Squarespace offers a streamlined, elegant way to do so. However, to utilize this feature, your site must be on a business subscription, as accepting donations is exclusive to this plan. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. Upon arrival, you'll notice an option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. Squarespace offers various ways to log in, but for simplicity and ease, we recommend clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account for a quick and secure login. Go ahead and select your Google account to continue. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. You can do this by visiting your Squarespace dashboard. Look for your site listed there and click on it. This action will take you directly to your site's backend, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the dashboard of your website, it's time to start the process of adding a donation link. Locate and click on the Edit button. This will transition your view into edit mode, allowing you to make changes to your site's content. In edit mode, your next step is to add a block to your page. Blocks in Squarespace are essentially the building blocks of your website, allowing you to add different types of content. Look for the option to Add Block and click on it. A menu will appear showcasing the various blocks you can add to your site. Navigate through this menu until you find the donation block. Once you've spotted it, click on it to add it to your page. After adding the donation block, you'll notice an edit icon appear on the block. This is your gateway to customizing the donation block to fit your needs. Click on this icon to proceed. Here you can name your donation, set up suggested donation amounts, and even customize the donation button's appearance. But before your visitors can start donating, you'll need to link your account to handle the donations. Click on Fund Settings within the block settings. This is where you'll link your bank account or preferred payment processor. Follow the prompts to securely connect your account. This step is crucial as it ensures that any donations received through your Squarespace site will correctly process and transfer to your account. Remember, accepting donations via Squarespace requires a business subscription. This is because the donation block and its associated features are part of the business plan's enhanced functionalities. It's an investment that can significantly aid in your fundraising efforts, providing you with a reliable, professional means to accept donations online. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced the functionality of your website, but also opened a new avenue for supporters to contribute to your cause directly through your Squarespace site. Plus, with Squarespace's design-friendly interface, your donation page will not only be effective, but also visually appealing. And there you have it. That's how you link donations on Squarespace. Remember, the key to a successful donation drive is not just in setting up the feature, but also in how you communicate and engage with your potential donors. So, make sure your website clearly expresses your mission, goals, and the importance of donations for your project or cause. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of your Squarespace website. Happy fundraising, and until next time, keep creating.